Right, we're now in Poitiers, or Poitiers, I don't know how to say it. This is the station down here. Massive trains leaving. I think I'm going the right way. Had a little bit of a calamity on the train where the chair just made a cracking sound.
Where are you going? It's a nice car. Get another car now. These shops ferme in the afternoons. We go sleep the afternoon. The shop.
We're now in Poitiers, or Poitiers. I still have no clue how to read that, but that's obviously what happens when you just go from town to town and city to city without doing your due diligence or doing the correct research. We're kind of just taking a train from point A to point B and just cropping up and just stopping when we've had enough on the way. And we're seeing some really cool places, but the problem with that is we don't actually really know enough about the culture or what's actually in the town. But there's kind of like a beautiful garden outside. I don't know what these flowers are. I heard magnolias in passing. I don't know if that's accurate because I'm really not a florist or a gardener. But there's a nice little bench outside and this little archway and chimney. And it's a really nice building in here, so you can sit outside. Nice little hotel so far. Really clean as well, and these nice paintings as well, so I'm quite pleased. And we're going to see if we can get some food, maybe locate a little supermarket. I think the closest one is a Carrefour City again, which are kind of these small Carrefours we've been finding after we've left Spain. Spain had Carrefour markets which were pretty big, even though they weren't big supermarkets, but France seems to have these smaller Carrefour cities. So we're going to hop along the way, see what we can find for lunch, and see if we can see any of Poitiers. If I get any footage, I'll include it. If not, maybe my mum will get some footage, I'll include that too. So far quite nice. The train station was not really too busy. There was quite a lot of people, but it was easy to get through. So hopefully tomorrow again, tickets should be quite simple. But what we've started doing is we've started using an app to get tickets. I can't remember what it's called, but we've been taking the high-speed rail trains by TGV. I think that's the train provider. And the great thing about those is when you're on the long-haul ones, you actually get free Wi-Fi on board. So you can kind of pass the time and boredom by just going on your laptop or phone. We went in the first class one today because it was only €4 extra to actually stay in it, which was really nice. Although the cabin didn't really seem like it was first class. There was some extra space, but I didn't really feel like I was in some kind of bougie first class experience, but it's still pretty cool. And we also had like a canteen on board too. It kind of reminded me of Dexter's Diner off Star Wars, Attack of the Clone Wars. And we just had like a cookie and some drinks, and then we're literally in this Poitiers. Can't honestly remember the day we're on right now of this journey, but we're not too far home to the UK, and I think the next stop, hopefully, if we can make another push, is going to be Paris. And I'm hoping we can actually have a little bit of time in Paris to actually explore, because it's almost like we've had like a night in most places and then just kept going, and we want to kind of explore a bit, especially Paris. It'll be nice to see maybe the Eiffel Tower, even if it's just from a distance, and maybe go in some of the bakeries. But these smaller cities and towns in France are honestly really nice. So I've only been to Paris once, but I might end up just really enjoying these smaller cities and towns more in retrospect, so we'll have to do a comparison and see how it is. It's an interesting entrance, isn't it, going through here? Merci de votre visite. Right, it's the town centre, isn't it? I'm not sure if it's a city or a town, but this is Poitiers in the town centre. I think this is Aachen, isn't it? I don't think this is Carrefour. Oh no, it's an estate agent. I thought it was at Aachen supermarket. Right, this has got to be the main hub, this, hasn't it? What's this massive building over here? This looks like it could be a train station, but that's not where we've come from, is it?
No, that's the town hall.
That's the town hall, yeah?
Yeah, and there's a cathedral somewhere around here. If we go to the centre, we might be able to look up and see a big cathedral.
I can't put my finger on it where this reminds me of. I think this is this reminds me of Germany. I can't remember what city it was. I was in Germany once, and I can't remember. I think it was Frankfurt, I think, maybe. This open area. It's not as big and open, but it really reminds me of this point I was in Frankfurt. And they've got these merry-go-rounds in quite a few towns here.
We've had them in Bayonne, haven't we?
We've had them in 2 or 3 towns.
Yeah, Bayonne.
It seems to be a common thing, doesn't it? No, this is a hotel. This one. Hotel de Ville, it says.
I don't think it is anymore.
It says Hotel de Ville, though.
Yeah, I know, but I don't think it is anymore. I think they've taken
The
it
Tour
over.
de France Femmes.
I think this is the Tour de France for females. They might be coming through here or already come through here. So this is.
No, it's the town hall.
Yeah, that's it was.
It's like a shopping street, isn't it? Never seen these things before. L'Église Saint-Poitiers. That's probably poor French, isn't it?
L'Église Saint-Poitiers. Okay, which is a Saint-Poitiers church.
Most of these places we're just wandering about, and on Google Maps we'll just find it and just stop. And it's kind of like a lucky dip, just like turning up here. That's pure French, that, isn't it, Mum? That's it, isn't it, Mum? That's peak food right there, tinned ratatouille. We've got to, what is ratatouille? It's just vegetable mix, isn't it?
Yeah, chopped vegetables.
Sautéed mixed veg or
Like I
something.
roast those vegetables in the oven.
And aubergine, they love aubergine, don't they?
Peppers.
Heart jardinier. Got to eat ratatouille in Paris like the movie. So apparently we spent about €50 at the shop, which doesn't seem right. We've been spending quite a lot, 30, 40, 50 every time we go. We've got 2 tins of this bougie salmon, which is about 5 each. That's about 10. We've got 2 waters, which are probably about 1 each. That's about 12. And then we'll have a look at the rest of the haul and see if we can add it all. Because so far, something seems fishy, but I reckon it'll probably be right. There's nothing to gain from that guy scamming us. It might just be an error on the machine. It's like when I was in Turkey and they just added an extra 0 onto the taxi. They were supposed to charge me $350 and they charged me $350, which is annoying. So we've got the mangoes. These are 3 each, so we're on about 12, so that's another 6. That's about 18. These cakes, I have no clue. I'm going to just say that they're 2 each. I think that's generous, isn't it? 2, 4, 6. Let's just say €6. And what we're on now, I've lost my thing now.
Well, that's 6.
12 plus 6, 18, I think.
Have you got 18?
Plus 6. We're now...
1 minute, have you got 12?
I'll tell you after. Now 18 plus 6, that's 24. This chocolate is usually expensive. That's about 5. That's about 5. So we're on 24 plus, you're throwing stuff down, I can't tell what I've added now. 24. Pringles are usually about 2 each. So that's 4. We're going to say 28. This sandwich, I'm going to say about 150. 29, 50. These probably about 50 each, I'm going to guess.
No, then we've on that with that one. Probably 1 at least.
Let's just say €3, so we'll just 30. Let's just round up to 30. We're on 29.50 plus €3 is 33. Then this tabbouleh, 36. This will probably be about 3. So 39. Plus these yogurts.
They're about 3, aren't they? 2.850. Yes.
Let's just say 3 again.
Yeah.
39, 42.
42.
This salad was 3.80 something, so we're going to say 4.
That one was 4.50.
So we're on 43 plus that is
47.50.
Right, and then the coffees.
I had 2 of these at 1.40 each. That's 2.80. It's the same.
I reckon it checks out at 50.
Yeah, and then
the water's already added in. So just like that, you can spend €50, boys, which means get them pocket sticker. Click the link below if you want to learn what I do. First up, boys, we're going to eat the poulet rôti mayo léger, which I think means chicken and lettuce mayonnaise sandwich, if my French is correct. This has just been a staple while I've been here, the only thing I've really been eating. But I have to give props to the French for the sandwiches, because I've not met any country so far I've been to, and I think I've been to about 12 that have as good sandwiches as England, but that's just personal preference and opinion. France is definitely up there. I'm going to have to give them an 8 out of 10.